Dan, coming back to you here, we've had Annette Hurst has submitted a live question. Looking to purchase an investment property for commercial focus holiday lets, are there any tax implications or legislation that I should be aware of? I know we've just touched on this, but just following on from that again.
I think Fabrice mentioned earlier, it's actually, if you're doing a holiday rental, you need to register with your local mairie or your local commune, as well as your department. The commune needs to know about it, and the department needs to know about it, so they can actually send you the what we call tax de séjour. I'm trying to remember what it's called in English. Little tax you get on the hotels there. And so with that, there's that to do. Admittedly, it's not a massive cost. It's I've got a sheet down the door. I think for a week for 3 people, I pay something like €5 in tax, so it's not the end of the world. And with that, so there's that to take account. Other than that, you have to do it. If you don't do it, it can be real problems. But the tax is minor tax. After that, it's more on your own personal tax, how you actually want to run the sheet. So that's the sort of thing you need to actually discuss with an accountant, because there's different tax options you can do, especially if you're buying a complex you want to actually make into a property you want to make into a complex if you're doing work. So it's best to talk to an accountant and set up that your structure properly initially, and then that way you can get best tax relief going for doing it. If you're going in just to buy an ongoing gîte complex, then obviously the tax de séjour is still there, but obviously it's not quite as important to talk to the accountant because the structure is there, so you won't be offsetting costs, you'll just be running it.